In a world naturally concerned about health threats, we believe single-use medical devices are the future of healthcare. A future where medical vision systems are accurate for doctors and diagnostics, but also safe for patients and without cross-contamination. OptaSensor is ready to lead the change. OptaSensor is a company with established expertise in the field of photonics integration, design, and manufacturing of small-factor imaging solutions for medical applications. We have more than a decade of experience in miniature camera systems modules using new design approaches and cutting-edge manufacturing technologies. With the most advanced miniature image sensors, wafer-level optics, and device packaging, we guarantee that our devices are as small and cost-effective as possible. With competencies in filter and prism design, illumination techniques, and integration capabilities, we add functionality to custom demands. With our structured and agile organization, OptaSensor will partner with you to develop the highest quality products to solve your most challenging needs.